Hey, welcome back to ISS. I am here with Andy Schmid. He is the Director of Sales Engineering at Ivanti. It's good to see you again, Andy.
Thanks for the invite. It's nice to see you here.
So you just came out of a great session. I'm sure it was a very popular one because a lot of people have been talking about this whole idea of MDM and asset management. So what were the key takeaways? What did you talk about and what kind of conversations have you had?
Oh, I had a lot of good conversations because in our sessions we're talking about really the importance about MDM, Unified Endpoint Management, why you should do that in your company. And then we're going also about why you should do asset management. Because asset management, that was funny because I presented a slide and asked the people in the room, why asset management? Why? This was very boring. Nobody would say something, and then one raised the hand, and he gives the best answer what you can give, because it is the baseline for security. And that is the truth. Without asset management, when you not discover all your machines, you are not able to secure your environment. And that is one of the takeaway to talking about why we're doing MDM, why we're doing asset management, and why we're building up that together. That is the key takeaway from my session today.
I mean, there's a lot of good things that come out of that. I mean, what do you think that integration does MDM and asset management do for the day-to-day workflows? I mean, security obviously is the foundation of that too, but what else does it do for an IT team?
What the people are very often thinking about when they're going with asset management and they discover the network and getting all the information together, they're not thinking about use cases. What you can do with all that data. It is not just you getting the visibility into your insight about the company, for sure this is an important part. But when you have the data, you can build up use cases. I was showing today 4 different use cases. So when you're having the data, you can maybe request portal open for your service management to say when I am then going into my service request portal and can tell, hey, I will lock my device because I have forgotten in the taxi. I get a service portal, I'm Andreas Schmid, we have the inventory data of your machines, you have a Windows machine, you have an iPhone, you have an iPad, okay, my iPhone, I was missed that, request that, please lock that. Directly the device will be locked, get a message on the phone, hey, this device is stolen, please call 111 that you get returned the device. And that is really, the people have to thinking more about, when they're getting the data, about integration, about use cases, what you can build up with the data, how you can help the end user to have a better digital experience. And that is what, that really helps about the integration part.
And really that's the whole point, right, is making things easier for the user with as little user impact as possible. So, why, I think you've already answered it, but in a nutshell, why is device management so important? And, especially, to having low user impact and just letting them do their jobs while everything in the background is working for them.
I think that reflects to our Ivanti Every Workplace report. When you read that one and you see that 25% of users will go away from the company because in bad digital experience, then you know what you have to do.
Right.
Then you know what you have to do. Make it easier to use the phone, to use the mobile device, to use the iPad, the Windows device, whatever you use in the company. Make it easy, make it seamless for the user, make that he's productive, make the patches over the night, over the weekend, whatever. He needs a good feeling about the digital experience. And that is why, again, the endpoint management is so an important piece to give the user the feeling. And I think that is really what we provide, shape the future for work.
Right, and well, in the present, the future is kind of already here. I mean, we're a much more mobile workforce than ever before.
Absolutely.
So this type of foundational support and management is key, really, to kind of the new normal of working. Right, we're working everywhere.
Absolutely, couldn't more agree on that side. Absolutely agree on that side.
Well, Andy, I appreciate your time. I know you're a busy
Thank
guy
you so
here.
much.
Yeah, thanks for being here, and I hope you probably have some more conversations to have here at ISS.
I hope that as well. Have a lovely day. Take care.
Right.
See you.
Thanks
Bye-bye.
a lot, Andy, and thanks for being here.
See you.